Installing a Depthfinder on your kayak just got a whole lot easier with the YakAttack CellBlok. This innovative track-mounted battery box doubles as a mounting platform for the YakAttack SwitchBlade Transducer Arm and fish finder mount. That means no more drilling holes or dealing with messy wires, just simple, tool-free attachment and removal. The CellBlok requires only 10.5 inches of track space to secure, making it compatible with YakAttack GearTrac and most other kayak track systems. Whether you're upgrading your setup or starting fresh, this system offers a clean, hassle-free solution that keeps your kayak intact and your gear organized. One of the biggest improvements in the Fall 2020 update is the CellBlok's injection molded construction. This change shaved 25% off the weight, bringing it down to just 1.4 pounds. Plus, the cable wraps are now larger to fit the thicker wires used by today's advanced fish finders, so your setup stays neat and secure on the water. Inside, the CellBlok offers a roomy 375 by 425 by 260 inches of storage space, while the exterior measures 10.25 by 6.75 by 3.50 inches. It's designed with premium materials to withstand tough marine environments, ensuring your battery and electronics stay protected no matter the conditions. Assembly is straightforward, and though the instructions can be a bit tricky at first, users appreciate the ability to adjust the setup to their exact needs. The CellBlok works seamlessly with YakAttack, Aqua and Dakota lithium 10Ah batteries, adding flexibility to your kayak fishing rig. If you're looking to upgrade your kayak with a smarter, lighter Depthfinder mount that eliminates drilling and clutter, the YakAttack CellBlok is worth a look. It's made in the USA and backed by AU's patent, reflecting quality and innovation you can trust. Ready to simplify your kayak fishing experience? Try the YakAttack CellBlok when you're ready to ditch complicated installations and enjoy more time on the water. It's a practical upgrade that keeps your gear secure, accessible, and ready for action.